Last year I signed up for Skills USA. I competed in SUAS drum demonstration. And we went to state. Everyone was learning from us. We were teaching the judges like certain things and like what motor KV is and the propeller size and the pitch and what's allowed according to their specifications. And then we instantly knew that we were gonna win. We went to nationals, and after the flight portion and knowing that we were pretty much the only drone in spec, and after finding mistakes for one of their troubleshooting exams, we found more than they initially gave for us to find. So that they were really impressed. We impressed all the judges, and we placed first, so first in the nation.
And I was also in the same competition. I got to go to state, but I stayed in state. I was in a different competition, which was good. Well, it feels really good. I wasn't aware that I was the first female that passed it in the entire district. So when I realized, I was very weirded out and just kind of surprised about it. But yeah, it's really cool. The first one that passed the test and got the Part 107 license. Well, I do want to participate in Skills USA again, and it was really fun to go to state and Corpus Christi, and I got to meet new people, got new friends, and then Quiz Bowl was it's just multiple questions that you get, and you just get to learn a lot with it, and then you see other people that you can tell they have studied a lot for it like you have, and you have similar interests, so you make friends with them.
This year I'm going to compete for the same SUAS drone demonstration for state and hopefully nationals again. If I place first in state, then maybe bring home the gold again. It's a possibility, and I'm excited for it.